Hey folks, it's Simon here with your Tao Daily episode for Thursday, the 17th of October, 2024. S&P's posted a moderate gain on Wednesday, rising 0.43%, and that erased approximately half of Tuesday's fall. And what we're looking at here is an index that's still within a whisker of all-time highs and in a strong uptrend. And one thing a lot of traders are really bad at doing is respecting the trend and respecting the trend that is, but also respecting the trend that was. All right. They're forever trying to short up trends. And I mean, that can work if you really know what you're doing and you get your timing just right. But generally speaking, you're better off just acknowledging the trend and following it. Now, there are trends within trends, and what I mean by that is what makes up the S&P 500 is a whole bunch of different sectors, and I can tell you a lot can change in a week. If you cast your mind back to a week or two ago, sectors, the defensive sectors like consumer staples, really looked like they were breaking down pretty hard. And while that was happening, sectors like technology were storming higher, and semiconductors too. Now, we talked about semiconductors yesterday and what happened with ASML. That's put a bit of a dent in their recent rally. But what we're seeing more recently, as in this week, is sectors like XLP are starting to come good again. XLRE, it's regaining trend structure. Utilities, not only is that come good, it's at a new all-time high. Okay, so the market is kind of flocking back to defensive sectors again, but not just defensives. If we look at financials, new all-time high. If we look at XLI, which is more cyclical, that is virtually at an all-time high as well. If we look at communications, within a whisker of an all-time high, even consumer discretionary. All right, it's not at an all-time high, but it's still looking pretty constructive. If we look at small caps, Russell 2000. They look like they're about to punch through resistance and make new cycle highs. So there's a lot of strong sectors within the market. It's really just that the biggest one, tech, has been languishing, and semiconductors have been really languishing. And stocks like ASML are basically trying to drill their way to the core of the earth at the moment. So focus on the strong sectors. I really do believe that in a market that's trading at all-time highs, you want to be trading the strong stocks. Don't try and bottom fish stuff. Stick with the stuff that's working. Stick with the stocks where everybody who's in it is making money and happy, and everybody who's not in it is thinking, damn, when do I get in this thing? And if you'd like to learn a lot more about trend following, come along to my live 3-day boot camp held Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday next week. To find out more, just head over to toweroftrading.com/bootcamp, where for about an hour and a half over 3 consecutive days, we'll get together and we'll look at how you can identify and follow trends and use them to identify high probability trading setups. That's a wrap for today, folks. I hope it helps, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Thank you.